Hello my crafty friends. I am here to share with you a kit I put together. I'm calling this the fall kit or kit 1 because reasoning behind me making a few kits to sell right now is because I somehow broke my rib. That's probably why you always say, oh, my back hurts when my videos, because I have to sit down, because my back always hurts, but sitting down always made it hurt worse. So I don't know, I could never get comfortable. So finally my friend actually tricked me into going to an estate sale, and instead took me to the emergency room because I was just in so much pain, and she just forced me to go. And I found out that I broke my rib about 2 months ago, month and a half ago, which I already knew something because that's when it started hurting. But I think I actually cracked it, and then a month, because it started feeling better, and then a month later, I think I broke it. But anywho, so for a little bit, I'm not going to be able to be sitting here for very long, but I do want to be able to still make my videos and put some beautiful kits together for y'all. And yeah, so I'm going to start showing you exactly what's in this kit. I'm just, like I said, going to call this kit 1 or the fall kit, because fall is coming. And you get, hopefully my camera shows this pretty little fabric. Let me see, is this going to show better this way? That way? I don't really know. But anyways, there is a fat quarter. So that's 18 by 22 piece of this pretty fabric. And then there's this piece, which is like a half quarter. Half of a fat quarter. Right here. Need that. And then this is a fat quarter piece right here. Of this beautiful fabric, which I love this one. So pretty. I tried to put together like all colors that would go together. And this one is also a fat quarter here. So 18 by 22 again. Super love it. This one is half because that's all I had of this one right here. I love this one too. I have so much fabric, so I thought I will share it with everyone. And then I had this other little like quilting kit or whatever, so I couldn't sell it by itself because it was like a partial kit. So I'm going to put some pieces of these in there. And look at this, they're already cut. Little do they know, that could be a pocket right there. And I probably have to cut it down more, of course, but it's so pretty. And then there's this one. I also have a strip of this fabric, and it's about almost a yard of this. And it's about 2 inches, let's see, 2.5 inches wide. You get this big little strip. There is a strip of this one, and it is 4.5 inches wide by 12. And this one is the same. I love it. You get all of this beautiful fall fabric. And this one is twice as long, so it's about a yard. And it is 6 inches wide. Almost, nope, 5.5, sorry. 5.5 inches wide by almost a yard there. It also gets 2 of these squares. I think they're 4.5 by 4.5 pieces. And this one is 6 by 6, I believe, or 5.5. Oh my goodness, Paula, just measure it. 5.5 by 5.5. Sorry. Oh my goodness. You get this piece of beautiful lace. And it is a yard, a little over a yard long. I'm trying to make it all beautiful so y'all have amazing things to make a journal with. And here is a couple yards of this cotton thread to go with it. Let's see, there is a yard of this beautiful green wide trim to set that right there. Sorry, almost a yard of this pretty green, good Lord, Paula, pretty orange trim. I love that stuff, love it. A yard of this green pretty trim right here, or ribbon, I don't know which one you prefer to call it, but I love it. There's a yard of that. On here, there's a yard of each one of these on here. There's the wide gold, green, cream, and this is more like a rayon fabric, and this is cotton, and then the zigzag, and then this green. And there's a yard of each on here. And I used some of my garage sale find pins to share with you, so when you take this out of the package, do be careful not to poke yourself. I tried to make it to where it wouldn't poke anybody, but I'm just forewarning. And there is like a half a yard of this trim right here. I don't know if you can see that. It's kind of raised. It's awesome. I put some of this in my boho basket. Some of that. There's like a half a yard of this beautiful brown zigzag. It's kind of bubbly. I don't know. It's just awesome. I got this from my local variety store that went out of business. Then I got 2 yards of jute for y'all. And a half a yard of this. It's oranger than, it's kind of peachy, I guess, of this trim. I also got this from my store that went out of business. And it's almost like a terry cloth wash rag type fabric. Can you see that? And it's got the wire in it, but you can rip the wire out if you want or leave it in. I'm going to leave it in for you because I don't know what you want to do with it, but there's a half a yard of that. There is a bag with some buttons that will go coordinate with this, and some flowers, some green and some blue flowers. I didn't count the buttons. I just stuck my hand in here and went like this and grabbed some and stuck it in there. And they pretty much go with it. So otherwise I'd be really picky. Take about a half hour to do that probably, because I'm anal like that. And here's another yard of this beautiful trim. Love it. A yard of this amazing one. This one has a slight peach pink, slight, I don't know, it's creamy, but it's peachy, whatever, I don't know, but it's really, really cute. And then a yard of this one. And this one actually stretches. I don't know if you'd want it to stretch, but I love it. I love it because it's like the cream color or whatever. Skin color, maybe? I don't know. Whew. A half a yard of this beautifulness that I got from my local store, which I miss so much. But there is a half a yard of this beautiful trim. A yard of this lovely trim. I love this because it goes with everything in this kit. And this came off of one of the bias tapes, so I'm just going to include it in there because you can use it as a pocket or some ephemera for your journal. It came off of this that only had a little tiny piece left on it, so yeah, I'm going to include it in the kit because it's cute and I like it. A yard of this white bubble trim. Bubbly. It's not bubbly, it's flat, but I love it. It's dotted trim, I guess. I don't know. This is only like, I don't know, 15 inches long or something. This green pom-pom, small pom-pom trim. And then, is this a yard? Yes, this is a little over a yard of this hunter green type pom-pom trim. And then I threw in a piece of this, what is that? I threw in a piece of this wide burlap trim. This applique type trim. And this one, so you can make snippets or pockets or whatever. And this piece. Just some pieces of cotton snippets. A couple doilies, cotton doilies. This one's got a little coffee stain or something on it, but I love it anyway. And then this doily, because it's got the green on it. And yeah, that is my kit that I have up for sale. I'll be posting this up, hopefully this video today, and this will be $48. That includes shipping, so no extra shipping, free shipping, extra ship, none of that. So it's just flat $48. And if you're interested, I will link my Facebook below and my Bloomin' Sticks page. And you can contact me on either one of those if you are interested in this kit. Thank you so much for sticking with me and looking through the kit. And yeah, sorry that I'm so out of breath and stuff if you can hear me breathing, because it hurts. But anyway, you have a wonderful day, and I'm going to put this all together in a bag and make another kit. I don't know what colors it will be, but I'm going to have a few kits, like maybe every other day have another kit, until I can sit long enough to make a journal myself. So yes, thank you so much for sticking with me, and have a wonderful day. Love you guys. Bye-bye.